What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop today. We're going to start outside in the parking lot. We've got a Toyota Camry. This one's getting window tint all the way around except for the windshield. An Acura TLX, I think, or TSX. I always get the T's and the X's confused on these. It's here for window tint. TLX. We have another one of these over there. I love these cars. Interior is beautiful. Cullen is here from Wrap Logic. He's helping us out with some wraps. We're too freaking busy, so he does a really nice job. He helps us out when we need it, and that's his Raptor. That thing's really cool as well. We've got a Jeep here for window tint on the front two windows. And a Cayenne GTS. This car was previously here for paint protection film and a ceramic coating, and it's back for a Fab Speed cat delete pipe as well as a tune. So that's gonna be done in the next day or two. This Audi SUV was here for a couple of different things. So we polished the paint. It was in kind of rough shape. Super low mileage diesel car though. The gentleman that owns this collects a bunch of diesel cars. It's really cool. And after polishing the paint, we ceramic coated it. We're also going to be tinting the windows, doing clear plex on it. And we're gonna try to clean up these headlights a little bit. The plastic is sort of damaged. We're gonna see if we can sand that down, that coating, and get some paint protection film on top of there. Another TRex. This is our third or fourth TRex we've had in here. They've all been white, I think. Maybe one black one. This one's here for window tint as well as some paint protection film, so we're going to be doing the high impact areas on this. You guys know this truck. This is Autovlog. This is just here because he swapped this out with the R8 last week, so we did paint protection film and a ceramic coating on this a little while ago, so we can show it off a little bit. Check out his channel, Autovlog. And behind John, we've got another Acura. This one's getting tint as well. We're in the middle of that, just sort of fitting it in between some other appointments today. And we've got a Chevy Tahoe. This one's next in line for a ceramic coating. So we've got a couple coatings done this week. This one is up next. Our week's never complete without a C8. In this case, two C8s. We've got an orange one here, and this is getting a full stealth wrap. So just like Justin from Horsepower Obsessed, he's got the red one that we stealth wrapped. That's what we're doing here. So everything that you see that's orange is gonna be the same color orange, but it's gonna be a satin finish. Jimmy is currently pulling in this Mustang. We're gonna be removing the factory racing stripes off of this car and reinstalling some new ones. So this is a Shelby GT, and we're basically doing the exact same design that's already on there, just changing out the color. You can see that on the back bumper, it's the factory one is a little bit messed up, so I think that's why they're doing that. Over here in the tint bay, there's always lots of stuff going on. We've got like 10 cars today. Marshall and Terrell are working on those. Right now we have a Dodge Ram in here. It's getting the two front windows tinted right now. We've got that Shelby we were just pulling in a moment ago for the racing stripes. And then Cullen is working on doing a vinyl wrap on a Wrangler. So this is getting Satin Key West from 3M. It's a pretty cool color. These Wranglers can be tricky to wrap, especially those door hinges, which we are wrapping on this one. The guys are working on a detail for this Chevy Trax. This is getting our full detail package inside and out. This car was pretty dirty. A lot of dog hair or pet hair of some kind. So that's what Sam is working on getting out right now. This BMW SUV got a Ceramic Pro Gold package. It is done and curing. It'll be ready to go home tomorrow. And this car's a cool project. So this is for some really, really great customers of ours. We've done a lot of work on their cars. They have a bunch of Hellcats and Mustangs, always cool cars. This one got this graphic that you're seeing on the side installed over the last 2 days. We also did a little bit of a custom modification on this to turn the eyeball red on that graphic, since this is a red eye. They wanted that to match the fender. We also wrapped the hood in satin black on this one. We just finished up a ceramic coating on it as well, so it'll be ready to go home tomorrow. Another 392 Wrangler. So you guys saw one of these a couple of weeks ago. We did paint protection film on it. This one's the same thing. So this is a black car. I love the gold accents on the black. It looks really cool. And this one got Expel on the hood, the fender flares, the fenders, basically everything on the front of the car. This is Aaron. He's doing lots of PPF. We are slammed. This one's getting a full wrap. So another C8, another full wrap. This one's gloss though. So almost the whole car is done at this point. Basically we've got bumpers and rear hatch left. Is that right? Cool. So cruising along. This is for C8 Supercar on Instagram. Check them out. So that's it for what's going on in the shop this week. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that. You can stay up to date with what we're working on every week. If your car's in here, maybe you'll see your car on what's in the shop. We'll also be giving you some more updates on our new Pittsburgh location that's about to open soon. And last but not least, we are always hiring. If you like working on cars and you like working on cool cars, give us a call. We've got all sorts of opportunities for you. Thank you guys very much for watching. We'll see you next week.